song for Madonna. I made it through the wilderness, somehow made it through. Didn't know how lost I was until I found you. I was beat, incomplete. I'm ahead, I was set and blue, but you made me feel. Yeah, you made me feel shiny and new, like a virgin, touched for the very first time, like a virgin. When your heart beats next to mine, gonna give you all my love, boy. My faith is fading fast. Been saving enough for you, just look endless. You're so fine, and you're mine. Make me strong, yeah, you make me fool. All your love turning out. Yeah, your love is starting out, was getting it cold, like a virgin, touched for the very first time, like a virgin. Then your heart beats next to mine. Oh, 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 you're so fine and you're mine. I'll be yours till the end of time. 'Cause you make me feel. Yeah, you make me feel I've nothing to hide, like a virgin, touched for the very first time, like a virgin, with your heartbeat next to mine, like a virgin. Ooh, like a virgin, it feels so good inside. When you hug me, you love me, you love me. Ooh, ooh, Alright, thank you so much. Wala, ayaw talaga. Ayaw pa din talaga. Ano bang mga gusto ninyo?
May
Ano po?
pinapasabi si tatay, tatay Connie.
Ano ba? Anong gusto? Ano?
Ano daw sabi niya? Request daw sila ng request. Hindi naman daw po sila nagbibigay ng panggasolina.
Oo! Hindi po kami yan nagsasabi nun. Sila po.
Opo.
Ang galing niyo po makiramdam, tay. Ang galing.
Tinulong sa akin ni tatay kanina.
Ang galing niyo po.
Ay, salamat po. Sometimes I lay under the moon, I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down.
Get me
So
down.
negativity surrounds. I know someday it will turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, yeah, we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more words said that children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all live in the beautiful souls of the innocent. Blood says pavement, keep on moving to these waters they raging. In this race you could lose your way, but you way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it push you away. I've seen my tears that brown, but I never let it get me down. So negativity surrounds. I know someday it won't turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, yeah, me don't wanna fight no more. There be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, oh, oh, one day, one day, one day. One day we shall be changed, with people to say, stop with the violence, stop with the hate. One day we will be free and proud to be under the same sun, singing songs in freedom like fire. Yes, all my life I've been waiting for the people to say, yeah, we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day. One day.
First time when I want something more, someone more like me. This time some distress rehearsal seems incomplete. That you see the colors in me like no one else, and behind your dark glasses you're something else. Ayan na! You really love me underneath it all. You want to love me underneath it all. So I'm really lucky underneath it all. You really love me. You know some are real bad things and you need some discipline, but lately you've been trying real hard to give me your best. You give me the most, don't you sleep till I ever had. And when it's really bad, I guess it's never bad. You really love me underneath it all. You want to love me underneath it all. So I'm really lucky underneath it all. You really love me. So many moons that we have seen stumbling back next to me. I'm still right through and underneath, and you make me better. I'm still right through the underneath, and I'm better, better, better. You are my real heart, you are my real charming, like the heat from the body. You will always burning when the time you're around. My body keeps calling for you just because it's in your sweet romance. That is understand you, that this woman is a door. Aside from your temple, everything is for you. Have told you, baby, of that I'm sure. It's over and over again. I want more. You give yourself all of your purpose, and all of you got left is me. It's somehow full of forgiveness, okay, it's meant to be. You really love me underneath it all. You want to love me underneath it all. So I'm really lucky underneath it all.
Para sa
Thank you so
ano,
much.
yung request ni Daddy.
Sige, pagbigyan natin yan.